Hello dear fellow day traders, welcome to 21st February 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 36.5 points down move at the level of 10,730. Yesterday US markets were good enough for itself. It was in green at 63 points up on DowJones and 2 points up on Nasdaq and 4 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in flat to negative in today's pre-open session. What is Indian markets supposed to do in today's session? Yesterday was a great day. Yesterday the fast stochastic and slow stochastic have been in a total oversold zone. So that's the reason we are seeing some up move from here onwards. Usually this is what happens. Usually market turns to the 10,600 levels. Most of the times you can see over here it has started over here, next here, next here, next is here, next is here. So usually it just falls and afterwards takes support at 10,600 and rises till 11,000. Usually this is what happens. So that's what we are seeing here as well. Let's see what Indian markets has to offer in today's session. Probably it is a tepid session. It is a weekly expiry, so we will have a tepid session. We will not have much of a up move. However, market is poised for an up move from this particular level onwards. That's what Indian markets charts, technical charts, are actually denoting. Let's see what are the supports and resistances. Supports are very less as of now. The levels of support we have to watch out for are 10,707, 10,700, 10,672, 10,650, 10,600 of course is a very strong support, 10,563 and 10,550, 10,500 are the levels of support we have to watch out for. The levels of resistance what we have to watch out for are 10,750, 10,771, 10,800, 10,817 levels, 10,830 levels, 10,850 levels and 10,859, which is the 200-day moving average. The next level of resistance comes at the level of 10,880, which is the 50% of the Fibonacci retracement, and 10,900, 10,926, 10,936, 10,950 and 11,000 are the resistances we have to watch out for. Slow stochastic and fast stochastic both are denoting that we are in an oversold zone, so we have a good chance that we may go upwards from today's session as well. It is most likely that market may go upwards from here rather than going down from here. That's what the technical analysis is suggesting and showing. That being said, that's the technical analysis for today. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, there is a session happening for Nifty Intraday Options Trading course on Saturday and Sunday in 91 Springboards Residency Road in Bangalore. If you want all this technical knowledge, click on the first link in the description below. I'll teach you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis, not weekly, not monthly, daily. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.